Hey guys, what's up? This is iTech1 here. I wanted to make a video about the iPhone SE 2, and yes, I did say iPhone SE 2, that could potentially be in the making right now and could possibly make its debut very soon. So after discontinuation for some time, the original iPhone SE has been appearing in Apple's clearance site a few times now, with a price tag of $249. It made its first appearance in the Apple Store a couple weeks ago, around January 19th, and it sold out very quickly. Then again, on January 23rd, it came back in stock and it sold out again and made its latest appearance on January 31st. So could this be Apple's way of testing if the iPhone SE is still relevant to consumers, and if they were to roll out the second generation, would it sell just as well? There is no question here that the original iPhone SE has been one of the most beloved iPhones of all times, partially due to its classic look, which brought back the amazing square-edged design from the iPhone 4 and 5, and also because it came equipped with modern Apple hardware of 2016 despite its old look, like the A9 processing chip with a 12-megapixel rear-facing camera and modern software features like live photos and Apple Pay. Now, the original iPhone SE was a budget model that started at around $400. It does kind of become questionable here that why would Apple create an iPhone SE 2 now when they already introduced a quote-unquote budget model, the iPhone XR, to their smartphone lineup last year. But was it really a budget model with a price tag starting at $749? Going back to the original iPhone SE, what was the actual purpose of that phone and why did it sell so well? Yeah, I did say that it had an affordable price in comparison to any other iPhone, with an operating system just as great as every other smartphone in the lineup at that time, but its size played a huge role too, with the displays getting bigger over time from the original 3.5-inch displays to 6.5 inches now. Not everyone likes bigger phones. Some people like phones that could easily fit in their hands or pockets, and the iPhone SE did just that, and those are exactly the consumers Apple targeted with creating the iPhone SE in the first place. The cheaper model of 2018 iPhones, the 6.1-inch iPhone XR, stands right in the middle of the lineup display-wise, with the smallest one being 5.8 inches, which was actually the biggest model in 2017, and the huge 6.5-inch display on the largest iPhone. So there's no doubt that among these bigger phones, there needs to be a smaller version to expand the choices for iPhone consumers. And with the iPhone sales struggle last year, it would definitely make sense if Apple makes the iPhone SE 2 with the latest hardware and a little redesign to boost their sales, which in fact was exactly what the original SE model did back in 2016. This iPhone helped Apple bring its earnings up when it exceeded the amount of iPhone SE sales that were initially expected. We haven't had a major leak to confirm the iPhone SE 2, but with the original SE making spontaneous appearances in the Apple's clearance store, we know for sure that Apple hasn't forgotten about them. If Apple were to release the next generation of iPhone SE soon, the March event that Apple has every year would be the perfect time, since it would be the third anniversary of the original model, and Apple is known to upgrade some of their devices after a very long time, so it wouldn't be a big surprise at this point. So this is it for this video, guys. What would you like to see in the iPhone SE 2 if Apple were to release it soon? And would you buy it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you're new to stay updated with the latest Apple leaks and rumors. So until next time, guys, take care.